The Cybersecurity Maturity Model Certification Final Ruling is here, and it's reshaping how manufacturers work with the Department of War. In September 2025, the Department of War announced the final version of CMMC, taking effect this November. For contractors, this isn't just another policy update, it's a gatekeeper for future contracts. You now need to meet cybersecurity compliance before your work even begins. There are 3 certification levels. Level 1 covers foundational security practices, Level 2 requires third-party audits every 3 years, and Level 3 is reserved for expert environments, directly reviewed by the Department of War. Each contractor must report their progress through the Supplier Performance Risk System, and any cybersecurity gaps must be resolved within 180 days, or you risk losing contract eligibility. As Hunter Rourke, Vice President of Technology at Cantey Tech Consulting, explains, many companies underestimate how quickly these new rules will impact their contracts. Even small gaps in cybersecurity practices or documentation can prevent a contractor from qualifying for a project. For many manufacturers, especially smaller ones, CMMC compliance isn't just about checking boxes, it's about building stronger cybersecurity habits, protecting sensitive data, and staying trusted within the defense supply chain. Understanding your certification level, maintaining NIST security controls, and regularly auditing your systems can help ensure your organization stays ready, not reactive, as these new rules take effect. The CMMC Final Ruling marks a new era of accountability across defense manufacturing. For a full guide, check out our latest blog, and don't forget to add this podcast to your playlist for easy access.